This is a question from Max. What if the Earth's magnetic poles switched instantly?
We're not talking about a slow flip over thousands of years. Imagine it happening in a single second. The effects would be dramatic, immediate, and terrifying. First, let's remember what the magnetic field does. It shields Earth from solar radiation and cosmic rays. It also guides everything from migratory birds to compasses. Without it, navigation would be impossible.
If the poles flipped instantly, compasses would point south instead of north. Ships, planes, and even smartphones that rely on magnetic orientation would be confused. Air traffic control and shipping routes could face chaos in the first hours.
Next, consider the sun. The magnetic field protects us from solar wind, streams of charged particles that constantly bombard Earth. An instant flip would temporarily weaken the field, allowing a surge of radiation to reach the surface. Satellites and spacecraft would be heavily affected. Solar storms could fry electronics, destroy communications, and disable GPS systems. Astronauts in orbit would need immediate shielding or risk serious radiation exposure.
On the ground, power grids would be vulnerable. High-voltage lines could experience massive surges from geomagnetic storms, causing blackouts across continents. Phones, internet infrastructure, and banking systems could fail, triggering global panic. Animal life would also struggle. Birds, sea turtles, bees, and other creatures that navigate using the magnetic field would instantly lose their sense of direction.
Many migratory species could become disoriented, leading to massive die-offs if they can't reach their breeding or feeding grounds. Human biology could even feel minor effects. Some research suggests the human body reacts to magnetic fields, particularly the brain and circadian rhythms. A sudden flip might cause headaches, disorientation, and sleep disruption worldwide.
Auroras, normally confined to polar regions, would appear at lower latitudes. The skies would light up with intense northern and southern lights everywhere, a spectacular but eerie sight.
The Earth's crust might also respond. Some scientists believe that rapid magnetic shifts could trigger increased volcanic activity or earthquakes, though this is still debated. Even minor shifts in tectonic stress could have widespread consequences. Now, think about long-term effects. After the initial chaos, the magnetic field would gradually stabilize, but the poles would be permanently reversed. Animals might eventually adapt over generations, but human systems would need to recalibrate everything from navigation to satellites. Historically, pole reversals take thousands of years, so life evolves to survive gradual changes. Instant flips, however, would be unprecedented in Earth's history, creating a scenario unlike anything humanity has experienced.
So while Earth itself wouldn't be destroyed, civilization as we know it would face immediate disruption. Phones, planes, satellites, power grids, all of our technology relies on a stable magnetic field. A single second flip would prove just how dependent we are on invisible forces we rarely think about.
In the end, a sudden magnetic pole switch is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a reminder that Earth's stability is delicate, and even small invisible forces keep life safe and orderly. Without them, the world would be chaotic, disoriented, and illuminated by alien lights in the sky. So next time you use a compass, remember, its simple arrow protects more than just your sense of direction. It's a shield, a guide, and a silent force that keeps our planet livable.